Cinnamon is a popular spice that has been used for centuries. However, not all cinnamon is created equal. Cassia cinnamon, also known as Chinese cinnamon, is the most common variety of cinnamon found in supermarkets. It has a stronger flavor than Ceylon cinnamon and contains a toxin called coumarin. Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon, is a high-quality, highly prized spice. It is native to Sri Lanka and southern parts of India. Ceylon cinnamon sticks are lighter and more tan in color, containing thinner sticks with soft layers, making the quality and texture of Ceylon much more desirable. Consuming too much coumarin can cause liver damage and increase the risk of cancer. Cassia cinnamon contains much higher levels of coumarin than Ceylon cinnamon, which makes it potentially harmful if consumed in large quantities. So next time you're planning to use cinnamon for baking, healthy drinks, and beauty regimen, make sure to use Ceylon cinnamon instead of Cassia cinnamon. Here at Coconut Country, we pride ourselves to be able to provide high-quality organic Ceylon cinnamon through our CineTrue testing. Take advantage of our sale currently happening right now. Visit us at store.coconutcountryliving.com.